When many people think of online learning, what comes to mind is the all-too-common PowerPoint presentation, short bits of information followed by a series of bullet points. This type of presentation is simply boring, and you wouldn't expect to capture most people's interest. Too often, the boring presentation is followed by a rudimentary multiple-choice test, only designed to capture immediate short-term recall. Studies show that this emphasis on rote memorization doesn't lead to full integration and understanding of the information. The key to success in online learning is to capture people's interest emotionally and make the learning experience personally engaging. At Education and Training Solutions, we put extensive effort into creating rich and engaging learning experiences using modern multimedia instructional design principles that are supported by educational research. The result is that your online course has greater learner retention, longer life, and much more user satisfaction. Here are just a few examples of different types of learning activities that could be created. A picture is worth 1,000 words, but what if that picture can also take you directly to thousands of words or images? Here, clicking on parts of a picture can open up all kinds of media content, such as PDF files, videos, or take you directly to the web to explore a world of engaging resources. If you click on the book icon, it immediately launches a PDF document with pages from the book that you have indicated. If you click the DVD icon, it launches a video presentation of the topic. If you click on the globe icon, it launches a pre-selected page from the web that is relevant to your topic. Sometimes video presentations help capture your educational project more clearly. Video could be something you film, but it doesn't have to be that complex. Sometimes it could be as simple as capturing motion on the screen of your computer that helps explain a concept more clearly. In this screen, clicking on the image launches a separate video presentation that takes the user on a narrated tour of the anatomical structures being discussed. Sometimes you need to convey a large amount of text information. However, in an electronic resource, you don't have to limit the information to words only. An interactive PDF document can have different kinds of multimedia embedded in it that will launch when you select it. It could include video, sound, or a wide variety of flash-based animations. Don't relegate your learners to passive activities. Get them engaged. Here's an example of an interactive screen that has the learner searching for medical articles in PubMed, the National Library of Medicine database. This search could be simulated as a demonstration, or the learner could actually type the information directly onto the screen and access the web from within your course to perform the search in real time. Complex learning processes and critical thinking are enhanced with branching logic scenarios that reflect the way people encounter situations in real life. These more realistic learning scenarios are highly effective for anchoring key skills with practical applications. Here is an example where you're introduced to two characters in a therapist-client relationship. Each character has a brief introductory statement about their situation. A situation occurs in the session that requires the therapist to make a decision about how to proceed. The learner is now given the option of making the decision for the therapist about how to proceed. When the learner becomes emotionally connected to the characters in the scenario, the learning process is far more real and lasting. Each potential option has different outcomes, and each of the outcome branches can be as complex or as simple as you choose, so the learner can see the results of the decision. At the end, a summary of the different options can help show the learner what would be the best course of action or what would have happened had they chosen a different route. This type of branching scenario is most effective for conveying more complex decision-making processes that face us all when we get into the real world of applying what we learn in school. Interaction between students is one of the factors that makes the classroom learning experience enriching. You don't have to lose that rich interactivity just because you're in an online course. Discussion forums create the basis for many rich interactive learning experiences. Because learners have time to form their answers, look up reference material, and reflect on the topic more deeply, these discussions are often far more productive than live discussions in a classroom. You can embed web links, audio, or video images in forum posts as well, making for a richer discussion. These are just a few samples of the many different types of learning activities that we can create for your program at Education and Training Solutions. Your course might be a short, self-paced, and self-directed module for continuing education or compliance training. Or it could be a semester or year-long academic course with extensive instructor interaction. Regardless of these multiple options, your course will be much better and reflect optimum quality if you focus on quality course design all the way through. We're here to help you do that, so let us know any way that we can help you out.